dishes.
Singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much.
I love you so much. Mommy's good girl, aren't you?
I'm in love with the shape of it. We push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling, I'm in love with your body. Last night you were
I could look at doing the dishes as being a chore that's no fun.
in love with your body.
Well, how do you do your dishes? Or I could look at it as a great time.
I'm in love with the shape of the weekend. We let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me is thrifty, so go deep and neat. Fill up your bag.
You see, everything is your perception.
Sour night, Emily's doing okay. Leaving in the taxi, kissing the backseat when the driver makes the radio play. And singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I made you crazy.
If you perceive something as being a chore or extremely unpleasant, that's going to cause anxiety, right?
Come on now, follow my lead.
Now I can actually do a deep knee bend.
Push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling, I'm in love with your body.
Attitude is everything, even when you're doing the dishes. So instead, look at things with joy in your heart. And that in itself releases chemicals into your body. It's absolutely healing and good for you. And you know, falling in love with something, including yourself and other beings like Ducky, is very important for your health as well. Dance with me. Dance with your life. Have fun. Even when you're doing the dishes. Alright, so don't let things bring you down. You know, they're the dishes, for crying out loud. Have fun with it.
When your legs don't work like they used to before,
I think it's time to check on the laundry.
and I can't
Yeah.
stop your feet.
Laundry. What do you think, Duck?
Will your mouth still
Should we do the
remember
laundry?
the taste of my love?
Don't put
Will your
mommy.
eyes